Today we will explore the fascinating teachings of Dr. Joe Dispenza, who reveals how to harness this inner power to transform our health and prolong our lives. From meditation to gene regulation, what you'll discover in this video will completely change your perception of what your body is capable of. So get ready for an eye-opening journey into the power of our body and mind. The power that created the body can heal the body. There is an intelligence that gives us life, that makes the heart beat and food digest. In reality, we are a field around the body, a vibrant matrix of energy that extends its influence beyond the physical limits of the skin. This field is not simply an inert halo. It is a dynamic force, continually interacting and shaping our health and well-being. Through our emotions, thoughts, and beliefs, we influence this energy field, modifying our body chemistry in real time. Dr. Joe Dispenza teaches us that through the conscious practice of meditation and changing our mental patterns, we can not only communicate with this intelligence, but also direct it to initiate processes of self-healing and regeneration. This understanding challenged the conventional belief that we are limited by genetics and external circumstances, revealing instead that we have tremendous power over how our bodies develop and heal. This knowledge is vital, as it empowers us to take an active role in our health and evolution. With just 60 days of meditation, 5 days a week, your life will be prolonged, causing your chromosomes to lengthen and protect DNA much better. In one experiment, 120 people spent 10 minutes 3 times a day exchanging negative emotions such as resentment, frustration, and fear for gratitude, appreciation, and thankfulness. By measuring their immune response, immunoglobulin, a key chemical in DNA defense, was found to have increased significantly. This noticeable increase not only demonstrates the connection between our emotions and our physical health, but also demonstrates how the body can change and strengthen from a molecular level. When you are frustrated, impatient, or afraid, your immune system decreases because it senses an emergency. All your energy is directed towards some threat on the outside, leaving little energy on the inside to grow and repair. But by opening your heart and cultivating positive emotions, that chemical begins to rise, strengthening your immune system without the need for vaccines. This process is a powerful reminder of how our emotional state can directly influence our physical health. By cultivating checking mental states such as gratitude and appreciation, we can induce physiological changes that not only improve our immune response, but also encourage cellular repair and renewal. In fact, research has shown that when we hold these beneficial emotions, our body releases a range of hormones and neurotransmitters that promote health and well-being. This release includes endorphins and serotonin, known for their positive effects on mood and feelings of well-being, which can help counteract the effects of stress and anxiety. By managing our emotions constructively, we are sending signals to our body to activate its healing capacity, demonstrating that the key to a healthy life may lie in our ability to effectively manage our emotions. In another study, we gathered 120 people and measured 7,500 genetic regulations in just 4 days. Genes that suppress the growth of cancer and tumors were activated, as were genes that stimulate stem cells to repair damaged tissues. The oxidative gene creates a balance, regulating and preventing cancer, aging, heart disease, and neurodegenerative problems. The body will do it naturally. This surprising discovery reinforces the theory that our actions and thoughts can directly influence our biology at the genetic level. The ability to activate and regulate beneficial genes simply through targeted practices, such as meditation, offers a window into revolutionary medical possibilities. Through meditation and conscious intention, we are learning that we can trigger specific biological responses, which not only protect health, but enhance our body's regeneration and repair in ways previously considered impossible. This understanding allows us to not only prevent disease, but also actively and deliberately improve our vitality and longevity. These findings promise a future in which we can influence our biological destiny with more control and precision, opening paths toward transformative well-being based on the innate power of mind over matter. These studies show that 4 days can change your genetic destiny. There is research that shows that with 60 days of meditation, 5 days a week, your life will be prolonged, causing your chromosomes to lengthen and protect DNA better. This means that your biological age changes. We have brain scans that impress neuroscientists with the amount of energy in the brain during these moments. To wake up, sometimes we need a wake-up call. In 1986, Dr. Joe Dispenza received his. He was at a triathlon in Palm Springs, California, when a Bronco truck, traveling almost 90 kilometers per hour, hit him from behind. The compression force compressed 6 vertebrae in his spine. The diagnosis said that he might not walk again and would need complex surgery. However, he decided to trust in the immense power of his mind and body to heal. His recovery was not only a medical miracle, but also a testament to the power of self-healing through awareness and visualization. Dr. Dispenza used this experience to delve deeper into the science behind neuroplasticity and epigenetics, exploring how we can influence our health and our lives with our thinking. His work has inspired thousands of people to believe that they have more control over their health and their lives than they ever imagined. This powerful realization has led many people to seek new ways to positively influence their well-being, using the techniques he has developed and promoted. Learning is making new synaptic connections in the brain. Every time you learn something new, there is a physical change in your brain. Knowledge is the precursor to experimenting. The more knowledge you have, the more prepared you will be for an experience. You have 3 brains that allow you to go from thinking to doing and transmitting information. The neocortex is the home of consciousness. Learn to heal your own body about quantum physics, neuroscience, love, forgiveness. When you apply and personalize that information, you change your behavior and create new experiences. The limbic brain, the second brain, creates an emotional component from these experiences. If your behaviors match your intentions and your actions match your thoughts, it creates a new emotion. This emotion teaches your body to learn what your mind repetition is key to mastering this philosophical information. By replaying the experience at will, it creates a neural network that you can activate on command. The cerebellum, the third brain, stores these skills and habits. So you are now compassionate, a leader, patient, because you have neurochemically conditioned your body to feel and be these qualities. Research shows that just learning a little information can change the connections in your brain from approximately 1,300 to 2,600 connections. If you don't review what you've learned, those connections will fade in a matter of hours. Therefore, you must continually review and remember. Dr. Joe Dispenza's powerful testimony not only demonstrates the human body's ability to heal itself, but also highlights the deep connection between mind and body. Through his personal experience and subsequent studies, Dr. Dispenza teaches us that visualization, mindfulness, and meditation are not just spiritual practices, but powerful tools that can influence our physical and emotional health. This journey through the power of the body shows that each of us has the innate ability to influence our health and well-being. It invites us to explore and develop this capacity, reminding us that we are not limited by the conditions of our physical body, but rather, we are capable of overcoming inherent challenges. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey about the power of the body and mind. If this video has inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please like if you found this video helpful and share it with friends and family who can benefit from these powerful messages. Don't forget to leave your comments below. We love hearing from you and learning from your experiences. Until next time.